For most people, dreams are nothing more than nonsensical, fleeting images that vanish the moment we wake up. But for Carl Jung, the dream is the cornerstone that the conscious mind has rejected. While Freud saw dreams as a facade designed to hide something, Jung argued that dreams hide nothing. They are a natural fact of the soul. The dream is an ambassador sent from the unconscious to the ego, and its duty is to tell you the secrets you've ignored in their most honest form. Tonight, on Shadow Atlas, we will learn the fundamentals of Jungian dream analysis and discover how to read your own spiritual map by decoding the language of symbols. The key to understanding dreams lies in Jung's principle of compensation. Jung viewed the psyche as a self-regulating system. If your conscious life leans too far in one direction, the dream brings up the opposite pole to restore balance. For example, a woman who sees herself as morally perfect and superior might dream of being among drunken outcasts. This is the soul's attempt to balance her hubris. Conversely, someone with very low self-esteem might be hailed as a hero in their dreams. A dream does not tell you what you want. It tells you what your soul needs to become whole. The biggest mistake in dream analysis is looking at standard dream dictionaries. Jung emphasized that every symbol has a unique meaning for the individual. The first stage of analysis is what Jung called establishing the context. You must take each element of your dream, a table, a color, a person, and ask yourself, what does this mean to me? Case study. A patient dreams of a table. This isn't just furniture. It is the specific table his father slammed his fist on while kicking him out of the house. Without knowing this personal history, interpreting the dream is impossible. The dream is the missing piece of your current conscious puzzle. Jung identifies two levels of interpretation. The objective level. People in the dream represent actual people from the external world. The subjective level. The dream is a theater, and every figure in it is a part of you. If you see your boss in a dream, and you don't have a vital issue with them in reality, that boss is actually your own internal authority, or tyrant side. As Jung said, the dream is a theater in which the dreamer is himself the scene, the player, the prompter, the producer, the author, the public, and the critic. This perspective allows you to stop blaming the world and start facing your own shadow. Jung discovered that most dreams follow a structure similar to a classical drama. Exposition. The scene is set and the characters are introduced. Development. The plot thickens and tension rises. Peripeteia. The climax. A decisive change occurs, or the situation shifts completely. Lysis. The solution. The result or the sought-after solution of the dream emerges. If your dream lacks a lysis, it indicates that the unconscious is still processing the problem and hasn't found a way out yet. This is why following dream series over months is vital. You can see how your soul solves a problem step by step. Most of our nightly visions are little dreams that sweep away the dust of daily life. But there are some dreams you can never forget. These are what primitives called great dreams, archetypal messages rising from the collective unconscious. Case study. A young man dreams of a giant serpent guarding a golden bowl in an underground vault. This dream has nothing to do with his childhood. It is a mythical scene of the hero's trial. These dreams usually appear at life's turning points or during a midlife crisis, offering us the wisdom of thousands of years of human experience. Analyzing your dreams is not an intellectual game. It is a healing process. Jung suggested staying in constant communication with your dreams because the dream is a barometer showing where your lifeline is heading. The next time you wake up, don't throw that nonsense image away. Approach it with respect. And remember, your unconscious is organizing a free therapy session for you every night, guiding you to become a more complete human being. Are you ready to listen to your inner voice